Totoo naman talaga na college can be pretty overwhelming dahil sa mga exams, deadlines, and expectations ng parents mo. And these can cause stress and anxiety. Sabi ni Sigmund Freud, may tatlong uri ng anxiety. Pag-usapan natin yan. Imagine mo na this is the night before your big exam and you're worried about remembering everything na na-review mo. Sabi ni Sigmund Freud, ito ang tinatawag na reality anxiety. The fear of real-world threats like failing exams or missing deadlines. Maraming estudyante na nakaka-feel ng ganitong pressure to perform academically, na nahihirapan na sila makatulog sa gabi. It's a real struggle, and finding ways to manage this anxiety is even harder. The second one is neurotic anxiety. Have you ever felt torn between pursuing your passion and meeting others' expectation? That's neurotic anxiety. Sabi sa pangalawang type ng anxiety ni Freud, this type of anxiety involves the conflict between personal desires and societal norms. Para sa ating mga estudyante, this might mean choosing a major that aligns with personal interest while still pleasing family or society. Balancing these factors is quite tricky but necessary for fulfilling college experience. Example could be James loves art, but his family expects him to pursue a more practical career. The clash between his passion and societal expectation creates neurotic anxiety, making decision-making stressful. The last type of anxiety is moral anxiety. Ngayon sa college, moral decisions come up regularly. Moral anxiety involves the fear of going against personal morals or ethical principles. College students often face moral dilemmas. One scenario could be, nahihirapan ka sa exam, pero katabi mo yung top 1 nyo, di ba? And mukhang alam na niya talaga yung mga sagot sa question. Hindi mo napigilang mangopya tapos ayun na, napasa mo na. Nagkaroon ka ng feeling of guilt dahil sa moral principles mo. This is moral anxiety. Another example could be, ikaw, nahuli mo yung friend mo na nangongopya sa test. The fear of compromising your values triggers moral anxiety as you decide whether yun nga i-report yung kaibigan mo or wag mag-snitch kasi para maprotektahan ang friendship nyo.